Hey friends, in this assignment we are looking forward for our skills and how they are more visible in our LinkedIn profile. So the first and foremost rule is like we need to have the endorsements. Endorsements available in the skills section. Now you can directly skip in the all rest and now let's click on the skills. So here it describes all the 21 skills I do have, and as you can clearly see, for teaching I have maximum skills. So it is but obvious that LinkedIn will search for the jobs which need the teaching skills. So if any skill is enlisted here and not being endorsed by anyone, please note LinkedIn will not take action or will not take any consideration of that skill. So you need to endorse other connections first, then in return they will endorse you. So I think, quite as per my experience, 10% is the genuine success rate, or we can say organic success rate. In case you have colleagues, you have classmates, you can directly ask them to endorse you and make this profile a little bit powerful in case of search engine optimization. So now what is the real funda? Add your colleagues an endorsement and check if your photo is visible on their profile. It is quite prominent place to be, because others profile is also showing your photo, so that is a good chance to be visible over the net, and it will definitely help the LinkedIn as well. So LinkedIn loves the endorsements game, and you definitely start this game from by today. Add at least 50 endorsement into LinkedIn connections and you will surely get 5 as a return gift. Okay, so that's all for this assignment. In case you have any doubt, please do comment below and let me know what else I can have for you. So thanks for watching and all the best for this assignment. Thank you.